How to make money on Fiverr without skills? Are you wondering how you can make money on Fiverr without any skills? Fiverr is a great platform for freelancers to earn money online. You can sign up for free and start offering your services to buyers from all over the world. There are many ways to make money on Fiverr. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant, social media manager, graphic designer, web developer, or even an SEO expert. If you have any skills or talents that you can offer, there's a good chance that you can find work on Fiverr. You can also make money on Fiverr by offering your services as a voice-over artist, video editor, or even a simple data entry worker. There are many buyers on Fiverr who are looking for these kinds of services. If you don't have any skills or talents that you can offer, don't worry. There are still ways to make money on Fiverr. You can offer your services as a customer service representative, telemarketer, or even a salesperson. There are many buyers on Fiverr who are looking for these kinds of services. So, if you're wondering how you can make money on Fiverr without any skills, the answer is that you can still find work on the platform if you're willing to offer your services as a customer service representative, telemarketer, or even a salesperson. There are many buyers on Fiverr who are looking for these kinds of services.